So hey everybody, this is going to be a get ready with me video and I'm showing you guys how I do my sunset eyes. So for this tutorial, I'm using the Morphe palette, the 35B, and the first color I'm going in with is that yellow. And I am putting this all over the crease and above the crease, using this as my transition shade. Next, I'm going in with the orange color and I am putting that basically above my crease and also in my crease, and I want this really blended out. So the next thing that you'll see me do is really just blend those two colors together. Next, I'm taking that magenta shade that's literally right next to the orange, and I am putting this into my crease and also a little bit above my crease with a smaller blending brush, and then I'm blending all the colors together, and then I'm really just packing this color on and blending. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Camouflage Concealer in the shade Light Medium to cut my crease, and I am going above my lid because my crease actually folds over. So I'm basically just making this line as straight as possible. And then I'm going to pack this with some translucent powder just to make sure that it's dry and that the concealer doesn't move. Next, I'm taking that magenta shade again and I am basically blending this out just a little bit and bringing it to the middle of my eye, and I'm going to pack some more of this color on as well. Next, it's time for foundation. I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in the color Tres Leche, and I am basically blending all of this out with a e.l.f. universal blending brush. It's my favorite brush to use for foundation, and it just gives me a really overall smooth coverage, and it doesn't leave my skin streaky. Next, I'm taking that orange color and I am blending this out into the lower lash line and a little bit below my lower lash line just to smoke this out and give it some color. And I'm also going to be using that magenta shade as well, just for the middle to the outside of the lower lash line. Next, I'm going in with NYC Cosmetics liquid liner in black. This is only like $2 at Walmart. It's my favorite liquid liner, and I am doing a very dramatic wing because I want this look to be as dramatic as possible since all the emphasis is on the eyes. And then I'm going to go in with Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on the bottom and top lashes. Next, I'm using my favorite contouring powder. This is Black Radiance pressed powder in golden almond, and I'm using this to basically carve out my forehead, cheekbones, and my chin. For lashes, I'm using some cheap lashes. These are mink hair lashes in the number 014, and these were free because they came in a box with a wig. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and apply those. For highlighter, I'm using MAC's Show Gold Extra Skin Finish, and this just gives me like that really rose gold look I'm going for to really emphasize that pink color. Next, I'm lining my lips with MAC's lip pencil in the shade Chestnut, and I'm literally just lining my lips with this. And then for lipstick, I'm using the MAC Nicki Minaj, the Pinkprint lipstick, which is a really nice and neutral pinky nude. I love this for this look, and that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video.